Hello guys, I'm glad to see you on my channel. Today a good day because new adventure animatronics today guys. Today Big Freddy animatronic will save his friends from different monsters guys. If you liked my channel, subscribe and enjoy my video. And today guys, we need to go through a very difficult ramp with a bunch of monsters. And now it's my new animatronic Big Freddy. Let's go. Oh my god, who is it? Who is it, guys? You know? I am Kissy Missy. Guys, it's Kissy Missy Muscle. Oh my god, get out of my way. No. Okay. Nah, get out of my way, I said. Get out of my face. No, Freddy. Okay, get it, Freddy, get it. Nah. Okay, guys. One hit. Yes, okay. Let's go, guys. It's very difficult road, так? So wait, let's go. Let's go, Freddy. Let's go. Yes. Okay. Who is it? It's a Sonic XR. I hate you, Freddy. Okay, Sonic XR, get out of my way, I said. No. Okay, oh my god. Fly away. Okay. Jumping. Yes. Oh my god. Hello, Grandma. I see you. Freddy, you don't go. Get out of my way. Yoo-hoo! It's very cool. It's very funny. Oba! Yes, jumping. Oh my god, guys. Who is it? You don't save your friends. Okay, it's Mama, guys. It's Mama Siren head. Get it. Get out of my way, I said. No. Okay. Come on. What the heck? Okay, Mama. I give you my big hit. Nah. Yahoo! Cool. Let's go, guys. Oh my god. It's a bomb. Oh my god, Freddy. Are you alive? Yes. Jumping. Yes. Cool. Let's go. Agula. Oh my god, guys. It's a green Huggy Wuggy. I hate you, Freddy. Get out of my way, I said. No. Okay. Get it. Cool. Get it, Freddy. Get it. No. I hate you, Freddy. Okay. One big hit. Okay. Nah. Yahoo! It's very cool, guys. Oh my god. Jumping, yes. Cool. Freddy. It's a black Huggy Wuggy. Oh my goodness. Get out of my way. Yahoo! Cool. Okay. What's now? Jumping? Yes. Come on, Huggy Wuggy. Fly away. It's platform. Who is it? Oh my god, it's a monster. It's a hash. Get out of my way, I said. No, no. Okay, okay, okay. Nah, nah. Get it, Freddy, get it. Come on, come on. Okay. Let's go. Next. So now we go up the upstairs. Okay, guys, if you like it, my new animatronics, Big Freddy, thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's go. Let's go, Freddy, let's go. Because I need found our friends and save it. Okay, let's go. Jumping. Yahoo! Bah! Cool! You alive? Okay, Freddy. Freddy, you don't save your friends. You will be save your friends. Shut up. Huggy Wuggy, I said shut up. Oh my god, get out of my way. Get out of my face. No. Get it. Okay. Oh my god. Get it, I said. No. Okay. Nah. Yes. Cool. Okay, guys. Oh my god. It's a plants. Stop it. Who is it in this platform? It's a music DJ. Freddy. I'm Freddy. Yes, I'm Freddy. Get out of my way. No. Okay. Nah. Get out of my way. No. Okay. Fly away. Next plans. Okay. I'm waiting. Who is it? Oh, I know. It's an animatronic toxic glitch and Demon Baby. Freddy, you don't save your friends. Okay. Nah. Come on, Bendy. Nah. Yahoo! Oh my god. Guys, it's a bomb. Be careful, Freddy. Be careful. Come on. Yes, cool. Next. It's oh my god. Jump, cool. Stay. Waiting. Come on. Jumping. Yes. Oh my god. It's very cool animatronic, new animatronic Big Freddy. Guys, it's my friends and it's very strange monsters. It's a ACP-096 and Killy Willy. Help, Freddy! Okay, guys. Waiting. Okay. Killy Willy. Oh my god. Okay, guys. I am won and guys, you are free. Oh, thank you, Freddy. Thank you. Guys, if you like it, subscribe to my channel and enjoy my video. And bye.